No worry.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
It's like I do, how I like.
Yeah.
And then the inside, it's in this.
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
You go for why?
Go drop in.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, okay?
Ew.
Nice to meet you, love, right?
Yeah. Baby, I don't know worry. I did think Kojo Replica and what that's now he.
Oh, he used to be a musician.
What's it?
He used to be a musician. I need that the door by him here, Bonnie. Come on.
I know that the walk of fire, way. Wait at the buffet. Said oh boy, back or no. I dear way. Now we will be also need to need you a chico.
Of course.
You must be joking. I actually thought Sandra was overreacting, but seeing this for myself, I'm not coming to this house again.
What do you mean? JB, we're friends. What do you mean you're not coming there?
I just want to get rid of these things in your house. I'm not stepping foot here.
I don't want to know about her.
Hey, maybe the atmosphere, the smell in this room, as a in your way. Maybe I'm going to call. When you get rid of them, I'll come.
Are you serious?
This is.
Papa. Some